Today I'll be sharing with you 3 things I wish I knew in high school chemistry. Number 1, interrupt the teacher more. Why? Because when you interrupt the teacher, you get more opportunities to clarify misconceptions or to deepen understanding, and that way you shorten the amount of time you have to spend when you are doing your personal study. Number 2, the 1-3 principle. When you learn something one day, you should reread the notes for that lesson when you get home. So that's day 1. And you also need to revisit those notes on day 3. Here's why. You need to transfer the information from short-term memory to long-term memory. That way, you can remember the concepts for a longer time. And number 3, spoiler alert. Yes, start reading the chapter from the back of the chapter so you get the summary and you read through the questions. You may not know how to answer the questions, but you are familiarizing yourself with what you don't know. That way, you can focus on specific concepts when you are going through the chapter. Remember to use these concepts in your chemistry lessons and be awesome chemists. This is Orlando Broomfield from Chemistry Core. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more educational chemistry videos. On Wednesdays, we have a Chemistry Kids series. You can click here to view the playlist. On our website, we have interactive chemistry games to help students excel in their chemistry exam. Thank you for watching. See you again, same time tomorrow.